So let me see how many of you have received it. Those who didn't receive, let me know. Those who have not received, you should message me. I send this document. So for acids, you have to count the H plus ions, bases OH minus ions. For salt, the more salt is there, right? We had ionic change charge meaning Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So it is losing one electron. This one. N is equal to 1. Okay, this is the important one for the more salt. Acid is very easy. 1H plus N is equal to 1. 2H plus N is equal to 2. 3H plus N is equal to 3. For base also same thing. NaOH, 1 OH minus is N is equal to 1. KOH, again 1 OH minus. Here 2 OH minus N is equal to 2. That's all. Is there anyone who did not receive the PDF? Who did not receive the PDF? I think everyone got it, right? Let me see who did not get. Bhupesh didn't receive. Yeah, Bhupesh has shared it. I think I missed. Yeah, got it. Perfect. So what I'm trying to tell you is very simple. Let me record the session also. Yeah, it's been recording. Yeah. So it's a very simple thing. What I'm trying to tell you is we have to remember a lot of things. We can't sit and do each and every question. Okay, so for chemistry, by hearting also is very important. We can't sit and solve everything. Because those are sitting and solving, their rank will be around 2000, 3000 and everything. We have to be smart as well as we have to be hardworking. Some cases where we have to use the by hearting principle, we have to by heart. Because again, in India, it's a process of elimination. Okay, so it's not about selecting who is the brightest candidate here. Because I think once you're writing hardly 6 lakh people will write KCET. Some 6 lakh for COMEDK. IIT JEE again 20 lakhs or something it will be there. So that's how. But again, don't go to statistics and everything. Just focus on your work and results will come automatically. Don't see what others are doing, especially don't listen to your friends also because they are also in your same age and they also don't know the things. Okay. So talk to someone who has already cleared those papers before. They will be able to give you better insights. And talk to those people who are successful also in clearing those entrance examination. Not to those who couldn't clear. That is also important. Yeah, the 23rd question. I think the last question of this particular PDF. Yeah, do the 23rd one. And if you have best friends, share this PDF with them also. Let them also study, and both of you guys stay in the same college. So this already I told clearly. Faster, I need the answer. Magnesium atomic mass. What is atomic mass of magnesium? Anyone tell me the atomic mass of magnesium?
24.
Very good. So I'll write down here magnesium. Yesterday only I written down the shortcut. Magnesium 24 grams. Okay. And what is the standard decimeter cube? 22.4 decimeter cube. So in the question, what is it? 12 grams. 12 grams means what? 2. If it is 6 grams in the question, it is what? 5.6. And so on. Yes. A. Okay. Others, tell me what is the option now? Everyone has to respond in chat. Roshni A, Aryan B. Aryan, read the question. It is 12 grams of magnesium. 24 grams of magnesium needs 22.4 decimeter cube. Decimeter cube. 24 grams of magnesium. Pavan Kritika. Okay, A. Aryan, what is your answer? Is it again B or C or D? All the shortcuts also I wrote here. Saurav, Arhan, A. Okay. Note down this. This is KCET or the COMEDK shortcut. PYQ shortcut. Yeah, good. So A is the correct answer. Everyone understood properly, or any doubt is there in this question? Yeah, let me know. Any doubt is there, or everything is clear? Because I've done almost all the year question paper. That's the reason. Okay.